Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we are going to make toum or Lebanese garlic sauce. Start by peeling one bulb or 60 to 70 grams of garlic. The fastest way to peel garlic is by smashing it with the back of a knife and cutting off the brown bottom. The skin will come right off. You can also buy a bag of peeled garlic and save 10 minutes if you like. I saw this trick on the internet, and it was a guy that just pierced the garlic in the bulb, twisted it, and it came out peeled. Doesn't work. Optionally, you can remove the core of the garlic, aka the germ, which has a bitter taste. Does it make that much of a difference? I don't know. But according to many of my friends who make toum on a regular basis, it doesn't. And after making this recipe 4 times, I didn't feel like it was worth the effort. Add the garlic to an immersion blender, followed by half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and blend until you have a smooth paste like this. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and blend for about 30 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil and blend until it is fully incorporated before adding another tablespoon. Do this step 3 more times, then repeat the whole process until all the lemon and oil are emulsified and you have a smooth and fluffy sauce. Wow, it's getting there. Patience. Patience is so key. There's no shortcuts. It's just patience.
Is it too much oil?
No.
It's not.
No. It just makes you fat, that's it.
It's fine.
واو زبط هي It's emulsified. Bro, like it's holding itself together. Stiff peaks, هيدي stiff peaks.
Does it look like lavender?
Yes, look. See that? Yeah. Holding shape.
Yeah.
Ooh. That's creamy. Bro. هذا هو.
Oh,
That's what you want.
that's good.
That's what you want. Wait. This is some very good toum, guys. But what happens when the oil doesn't emulsify? Well, you get a broken and runny sauce. This is my jar of failures, guys. This is my failures, my misery, my مشقة. ما بعرف شو يعني مشقة بالإنجليش. Sorry, guys. What can we do with this? I recommend freezing your failures in an ice cube tray, and you get little garlic cubes which are perfect to cook with in future recipes. Okay, we have a nice bag of garlic to cook with whenever we need minced garlic and oil, which is almost always. At least we got something out of 3 failed attempts, but why is it so difficult to emulsify in the first place? Because there's no binder. You're emulsifying oil without a binder. You know, mayonnaise. كتير غريب عم بقولها in English accent. Mayonnaise has a binder. This doesn't have a binder. You're emulsifying oil in hard mode, using only the properties of the garlic as an emulsifier. So how do you get it right every time? The secret is taking your time, that's it. Doing it gradually. There's no shortcut. Don't try to shortcut it because it's not gonna work. It might, but it won't. Don't do it. Do it gradually. And once you have the sauce, you can store it in an airtight container and keep it in the fridge for about a month or even more, but the garlic flavors will continue to mellow out the longer you store it. And there you go. This is how easy it could have been from the start. You can have toum with so many things. It's a very versatile sauce. You can have it with veggies, with chicken, with fries, and even in sandwiches. And that's my favorite way to use toum, as a spread on sandwiches instead of mayo. It makes everything better. It makes everything tastier. Such a good sauce. It's a very good sauce.
Give me that garlic.
Yeah!
That's some spicy stuff.
مش spicy, it's pungent لأنه بعدها
Pungent.
it's still very
Pungent.
high sweet.
Whoa.
I know. Thanks. 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 And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching. And a special thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you. It's too far. It's too far. Ah, it worked! No. The Arabic word for garlic is toum. And this sauce is just called toum. So is it too much garlic? No. Doesn't exist. عالم نور أنا.
How is this legal?
بعرف.
هذا ما على علم sound makes bike go zoom faster. You chose like the worst method to crack ice cubes. عملتيها هيك.
كيف? How do you crack?
افرض انت اذا you want to crack ice you put your بتحطي كل ايدك on the ice while you crack it.
لا بس هيدي لأنه ملزقة.
You do this. No, you twist like that.
لا أنا هلا untwisted. خلاص. Go away. Go away.
It's like garlic hand moisturizer.
It's a garlic hand moisturizer. Do you want to make out?
لا.